Start by opening the front panel of the Infinite booth. Locate the two flashes adjacent to the camera and swivel each flash to the side. For the next step, you will need a pliers wrench to loosen the flashes. Now, open the back panel of the booth and use the pliers wrench to loosen one of the flashes. Repeat the same process for the other flash. Once the flashes are loosened, use your hand to slide each flash out of its groove channel. Next, unplug the sync cable and the power cable from the loosened flash. Repeat the step for the other flash. With both flashes removed from the booth, you're ready to install the new flashes. Ensure the flash controls are facing downward and slide the flash into one of the grooves adjacent to the camera. Repeat the same step for the other flash, ensuring that both the sync cable and power cables are properly connected. Once both flashes are in position, swivel their heads upward. Then, use the pliers wrench to retighten both flashes. Finally, set the flashes to on and adjust the intensity to 3 bars. Perform a flash test by pressing the test button. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the flashes in your Infinite booth.